Thank you for joining me again with another video. This is your girl Eva Tarae. I just wanted to come and do this really sparkly glam look for you guys. Won't ramble on anymore. Enjoy the video. I've already started on my eyebrows. I'm just kind of working on my concealer now. Jamming out, you know, pretty girls do their makeup to trap music. Blending everything out with my spoolie. And now I'm gonna go in with my paint pot. I don't know the name of it because it came off. Then I'm gonna go in with my Colored Rain and Gingerbread as my first shadow. Then I'm going to grab my Naked palette and go in with Cheyenne. Blend, 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 ladies. Next, I'm going to go in with Moments, also by Colored Rain. This is going to go right under my brow bone. I'm going to grab my LA concealer in Warm Honey and my 208 brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. My nose itched so bad the whole time I was doing my makeup. It drove me crazy. Blending it out, making sure that it's even. I actually find that using my finger rather than the brush worked much, much better. Then I'm gonna go back in with my Naked Heat and grab L'Ombre. Working it all over that cut crease. And then I'm gonna go in with my Crease Brush from e.l.f. and go in with In Fuego. I believe that this is kind of my unspoken favorite eyeshadow in that palette. Blend, blend, blend. Gonna go back into that Naked Heat palette and grab Ashes. And gonna work that into the corner of my eye as well. Now I'm gonna grab my NYX Glitter Glue and my NYX Glitter number 8, which is kind of like a pale, goldy, almost rose gold color. It's really pretty. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me. Then I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape in Deep. Gonna go in with my Black Opal and Black Walnut to contour. My favorite contour brush right now is this. I picked it up from TJ Maxx, and I believe it was a set of 3. I love it. Going in with my Medium Dark by Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my highlight. Gonna grab my Black Radiance palette to set my contour. I believe this one is in Medium Deep. Next, I'm gonna go in and start my wing liner. I'm using my Smudge Pot, which I believe I said is super, super awesome. I love this stuff, can't get enough of it. Does not budge. Well worth the 22 bucks. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline eyeliner to go ahead and line my waterline. Then I'm going to take my Naked palette and just go back in with Fuego, Ashes, all of the colors that I used on my lid. Now I'm going to apply my falsies. These are, I believe I got these from Amazon. They're a bulk. If I can remember the link, I'll go ahead and place them below for you. Going in with my Benefit What's Up so that I can do my inner corner highlight. Oh my God, ladies, I love this so much. It makes me so, so happy. I'm using that to do my inner corner highlight, and it's the Marciano highlighter. I can't remember the name, but I did use the gold one, the gold side. Also using it as my brow bone highlight as well. Then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier and Medium D translucent powder to go ahead and set my entire face. I'm gonna double back and do my blush. I am using MAC Raisin. I am going to spray my face down with that Mario Badescu. It is the Rose Water one. Jamming out. Taking the rose side of that highlighter, I am going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, the center of my forehead, and also my chin. Now it's time for the lips. I'm going to go ahead and put on a little moisturizer. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline lip liner in, I believe it's red. Working that all over. Make sure my lipstick has a good base. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lipstick in Uncenter. It's the Stunner Lip Paint, which I absolutely adore. Look at that shine, ladies. Diamonds, you definitely have to pick this one up. Then I went in to put my hair down, unwrapped it. Look at that length, girl. Look at that. Look at that, girl. You guys, I am working on my camera situation. It is not pleasing me. But right now, you know, girl gotta do what girl gotta do, you know, to make it happen. I'm actually loving this. I started off today. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I know I wanted it to be kind of glam. I don't really glam up often, but this turned out really nice. I did a cut crease glitter, separating the cut crease from my eyelid. I think it looks awesome. Now, I know you guys never seen me do a cut crease before, and I normally don't because I have hooded eyes. Like, you can't, it just doesn't look, to me, it just doesn't look right on me, so I didn't do it. I don't normally do it, but tonight I wanted to venture off into the unknown and get that done for you guys. Look at the highlighter. I did enjoy using my Marciano highlighter. It was actually a Christmas present, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Finally, I found a highlighter that looks awesome. Look at that. Looks awesome on my skin too. Happy New Year to everyone, and hugs and kisses. Mwah. Until next time, diamonds.